Sometimes it's difficult to know what's real and what isn't real until you learn to see reality as it actually is. Then you have the power to set the world on fire. It comes through perseverance, commitment, sacrifice, tenacity, and the absolute refusal to go through life with regrets wondering, what if? If you think it's only about techniques, then think again. True success requires passion and a willingness to roll up your sleeves and get to work. The technique and theory is only the vehicle to get you there. You still have to be the driver. It's a challenging time for everyone, particularly artists. But there's never been a better time to change yourself, move yourself, prove yourself, emerge victorious. This Paper Illusion is my latest Classroom in a Box series. Thanks for watching. I'm Drew Blair.